Hey there, carrying a bucket around with just a wire handle is a pain in the butt and it hurts, especially if you're toting it for any kind of distance. So I'm really liking this HANDTEC attachment that goes right on any standard size handle. This handle replacement is going to work on most standard size pails and buckets. It's made out of 100% rubber, and I like that it has this nice ergonomic shape to it because it makes it really comfortable to carry heavy buckets around. It's split at the top and simply slides down over the handle, and then it does have these rubber pieces that you can lock down into place to keep it from slipping off, but I found that I don't even need to do this. When your pail's no longer any good, you can simply take it off and reuse them again. Along with these being non-slip and comfortable to use, they're also made here right in the USA, so I appreciate that this product is local to the States. If you are looking for a more comfortable way to carry around those pails and buckets, check out the link in the description below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.